Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your destination for no-nonsense reviews and deep dives into the most innovative gear out there. Today, we're looking at something that might just transform your TV setup. Especially if you're working with tight spaces or love a versatile viewing experience. It's the Forging Mount Full Motion Corner TV Wall Mount, a heavy-duty mount packed with features to maximize both form and function. Let's put it to the test. Right out of the box, this mount means business. You're getting a solid alloy steel build with a slick black finish, all the mounting hardware neatly labeled, a drilling template for easy setup, and a detailed manual. What stands out immediately is the massive 33-inch extension arm. This thing is long, and it's built to be strong, supporting TVs from 32 all the way up to 75 inches, with a max load of 110 pounds. The VESA compatibility ranges from 100 by 100 to 600 by 400 mm, which covers most major TV brands. Everything feels industrial grade, definitely not your average budget mount. Mounting this was surprisingly straightforward, especially with the included guide. It's compatible with both wood studs and solid concrete walls. The template helped line up the drill holes precisely, and the leveling adjustment after installation, a ±3 degrees. And even if you were a bit off, you could fix it without re-drilling. Once mounted, the arm moved smoothly and felt secure. Zero wobble, zero play. Just solid support. This is where the forging mount really shines. First off, that full motion range is legit. You can pull the arm out a full 33 inches for extreme angles. Whether you're watching from across the room or tucked into a corner, this thing adapts. Swivel side to side up to 90 degrees. Tilt it up 5 degrees or down 10 degrees to kill glare. And if that wasn't enough, you can rotate the screen from landscape to portrait mode on the fly. Vertical rotation is a game changer. Want to scroll social feeds, display a digital menu board, or turn your TV into a giant phone screen for TikTok or Reels? Done. You can literally rotate your 65-inch TV like a smartphone, and the motion is smooth and controlled. It's perfect for content creators, businesses, or just anyone who wants versatility beyond movies and shows. This mount is tailor-made for corners. Traditional flat wall mounts don't work in awkward layouts, but this one tucks in neatly and lets you position your TV exactly where it makes sense. Even if that means floating it off the center of the wall. When retracted, it sits just 2.5 inches from the wall, keeping things clean and minimalist. It's a serious upgrade for small apartments, bedrooms, or gaming dens where space is tight. Forging Mount delivered exactly what it promised, a heavy-duty, smooth operating, ultra-flexible wall mount that works in unconventional spaces. The build quality is impressive, the functionality is top-tier, and it's priced competitively when you consider the feature set. If you want to mount a large screen in a corner, need full motion with extreme extension, or want the ability to switch to vertical orientation without hassle, this mount is a winner. You're not just hanging a TV. You're unlocking a dynamic viewing setup that adapts to your needs. Whether it's for movies, menus, or mobile content, this thing's ready to move. That wraps up our review of the Forging Mount Full Motion Corner TV Wall Mount. If you found this helpful, drop us a like and hit that subscribe button for more hands-on gear reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.